Hello everyone. Today we're going to recognize the letter P. Are you ready? Let's go. Letter P. What sound does the P make? It makes the P, P, P sound. It's a bouncy sound. Shall we write the letter P? We're going to start from the top, all the way down, then up again to the top and round to the middle. Letter P. Let's write the P sound. This time we're going to start from the middle line, all the way down, then up and around to the middle. P, P, P sound. Can you see the letter P? Let's name the letters. M, G, P. Can you point to the letter P? Well done. Super work. Fantastic. Now 3 more letters. Let's find the letter P. P, L, O. Can you point to the letter P? Well done. Super work. Fantastic. Now we're going to look for the P sound. Let's say the sound. B, P, D. Can you point to the P sound? Well done. Super work. Fantastic. Now we have 3 more sounds. Let's find the P sound. J, K, P. Can you point to the P sound? Well done. Fantastic. Let's find all the letter P's and color it blue. Are you ready to help me find all the letter P's? Let's go. Super job. Well done. Let's look for the next one. Fantastic. Well done. Super work. Well done. Can you see any more? Yes? Fantastic. Well done. Great. You found another P. Are there any more? Well done. Fantastic. We found all the letter P. Now we need to find all the P sound. Are you ready? Let's go. Fantastic. You found the first P. Well done. You found another P. Great work. Well done. Fantastic. Well done. Are there any more? Yeah. Well done. Fantastic. Well done. You found another one. Fantastic job. Well done. We found all the P sounds. Which picture starts with the letter P or a P sound? Let's name the pictures. Pineapple. Orange. Pear. So it's not the orange. Pineapple. Yes, well done. And pear. Well done. You found two pictures that begins with a P sound. Pear, pineapple. Super work. Well done. Now we have three more pictures. Let's find the picture that starts with a P sound. Let's name the pictures. Kangaroo. Panda. Snake. It's not kangaroo, and it's not the snake. Well done. It is the panda. Let's think about a word that starts with the P sound. Pig. 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 Let's think about another word that starts with a P sound. Pen. Now we have to think about another word that starts with a P sound. P. A. N. P. A. N. Pan. Great work. Well done. Super job. Well done, everyone. Fantastic job. Great work. Well done. Now, are you ready for your sticker? Let's have a look. Wow, look at that. You have a rainbow sticker. Fantastic job. You've done a great work. Well done. Now, bye-bye, and remember to keep on practicing.